Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 computer freezes and becomes unresponsive when idle. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab. Disable unwanted startup application. Restart system. Second method is type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Performance. Check Adjust for best performance. Click Apply, click OK. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, /command space, /f space, /x space, /r. Type Y and exit and restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc space, /scanno. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.